What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and we are now in the season of exploration. We've had a great year, we've made a lot of progress, but now we need to go back into our own laboratories and start working on our own creative material, improving ourselves, coming up with new ideas, making ourselves better dancers. And today I'm gonna be giving you guys a task to actually get creative. So I'm not gonna be telling you guys what to do, I'm gonna give you guys a task, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, so the task is actually pretty simple, right? What we wanna do is figure out a way to get out of certain moves. And I'm gonna start you guys off with something very, very simple, right? And it's just gonna be a simple hook. Your task is to come up with 10 different ways to come out of this move, right? And I know that for some of you, that might sound like, wow, that's a lot of different ways, right? But this is gonna be our process of getting creative, right? When you're trying to come up with a good idea, like for a school project, you brainstorm through ideas. You keep going through ideas until you find something that's creative, that's good, that'll work for your group. Same thing with our dancing. A lot of people, they kind of settle. Why settle? This is your art, this is your craft. So spend this time to brainstorm. And basically, the task is simply to get out of this move and lead into something else. And right now, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of ideas, but keep in mind, you can't use the exact idea I'm giving you. You have to change it and make it your own. Okay, so here are some potential ideas. And the first one is obvious. You could simply unhook, right? Simply just unhook, okay? But think about what else could you do with this motion? Maybe you could go to a sweep. Maybe you could go to a slide, right? Maybe you could go to some type of spin, right? Think about different ways that you could use just by simply unhooking this way, okay? You also want to think about other options, right? You also have this leg. What could this leg do, right? Could this leg step back, right? Could this leg step forward, right? Could this leg step under, right? Or maybe this leg steps under. So start exploring. Never settle for what's normal. You want to confuse or surprise people with your dancing, right? You don't want to do the obvious route. So explore, right? Explore what could you do with this leg, right? What could you do with this leg, right? Could you go under? Could you go under, right? Think of the options. Then explore, moving in circles. Could I spin this way, right? Could I spin this way? Think of different ways to basically get out of that move. So what I want you guys to do is make your way all the way to 10. And I want you guys to also be happy with every single one, right? Don't make something that is mediocre, right? Be happy with every single option that you have. Be proud to showcase every single option you have in a battle. And again, this is gonna be the start of your creative journey. Once you get this down, then you could try this with more difficult freezes. Say, a pilot freeze, right? How could I get out of this pilot freeze? But our starting point is gonna be simply with the hook. All right, I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. And if you guys are interested in getting feedback at anything at all, go ahead and sign up for my Patreon group below. We're gonna be training. We have 8 spots left for feedback, and it'll make it a lot easier for me to communicate with you guys directly. All right, if you guys like this content and content like this, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, leave me a comment about what you guys wanna see next, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, peace.